Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delongni Gran Dama Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having the error milk to find, and that was because the water pump was not working anymore. This water pump is from 2013. Focus. A second. There you go. As you can see, this water pump is from 2013, so it's been running for quite a while, and we just for this machine we just replaced it with a newer one, and let's start it with one shot coffee. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the brew unit that is inside the machine, the one that goes up and down, the O-ring from the generator, this came in the machine, and giving a good cleaning to the spouts that we desperately needed. As you can see, we're having nice flow coming out of the machine, really good crema, working perfectly fine. Now for the hot water, we were testing this machine for quite a while before we put it back together, and we did the video. So we already made like around 15 coffees on this machine with different grind settings, from very coarse to very fine as well. As you can see in the hot water, we're having a nice stream coming out of the machine, really good temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the Delongni Gran Dama working once again, no longer popping out the door and not having the error message of the machine. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.